Hey guys, I feel like I could probably weld on this car till the cows come home, but there's a few little bits left to do. I've just attached these, so yeah, optional really, but I'm just put for the originality. Those are actually for wet suspension, I believe. Obviously this car's dry suspension. They were there on the original though, so I just put them back. Just protection for the floor from bump stop. Anyway, they just welded a few places around the edge. That's how they were. I put some Tetraseal, Waxol underneath, in between the sandwich, so it shouldn't rust out. But yeah, we'll get it all sealed in and covered. Yeah, so I'm just going to tidy up the welds a little bit, and then there's a few welds like here where I've just filled them in with where they were they had holes in them, so I've just refilled them. We'll tidy them up, and then there's a few bits at the front that we need to weld up, the brackets onto the wings where they come from the cross member, and a couple of other bits. Hopefully we can get all the welding finished, and then it's all about prep for paint. So yeah, let's finish up the welding. Okay, so we just knock the tops off these, and the same on that side. Now pretty much think all the welding is done. I've probably missed something which would be really annoying, but we'll go to the front. Sorry, I say all the welding on the back is done. We'll go to the front and we'll do the brackets there. So let's get the tile turned over, and yeah, then we'll have a look at what's left to do at the front. Just before I turn it over, there's a few scuffs on the floor and other places where you see rust is just starting to come. So we're just going to quickly sand that off and put the etch primer over it, and also over the bits at the back. So just got to do that first. Okay, so it's got that surface rust just stopped from setting in, and got the old etch primer back on there. Let's turn the car over. The main thing we're looking at is there and there. Might be a couple of other little bits to do. Let's get set up. I've learnt my lesson on this side, backed it with copper, so should be able to make that weld without disintegrating the inner wing now. still disintegrated a bit. We'll build it up on it. That bit pretty later. One of the last bits now. A panel at the top here. It should be welded really. Some people don't. Some people fill it. My aim is just to put a tiny fillet of weld, and then we'll put some filler or silicone filler or something over there when we get to paint. I don't want to completely get rid of the line, but I just want to fill the sort of crevice in so it doesn't collect water in there. Right, let's have a go. It's not really how I want it, so I'll be doing a lot of shaping to that. But at least I know it's joined. Anyway, do the other side quickly. We'll tidy up where we've welded this now. Try and make that look original. And the one up there, and the one on the inside where we put the bolt through to pull the wings in. Same jobs over there. And then, yeah, we'll come back and see if I did a good job or not. Then after this, another walk around the car, seeing if there's any other welding that needs doing. So yeah, maybe finishing the welding. There we go. So there's welds in there, there, a couple of others. Then again here, and here, and in there. Good enough, I think. Last little bit to show you, didn't really film the work, but we put a fillet weld across the top here of the A panel, and then I've used a combination of my finger sander to blend into the A panel, and then we've restored a bit of a line here using the drill with, here it is, the drill with this piece on, so we can just establish a bit of a line. It'll get tidied up with filler, but it's close. I will just show you the other side. So there's the one on this side. So that's blended in fairly well. As I say, we'll get a bit of filler work on there when it's being painted. I will have a check around the car, see if there's anywhere else that needs welds, but I think we're fairly close to finishing the welding, so that's good, because I have exactly this much gas. So yeah, that's worked out alright, I think.